Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to Destiny credit card. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Destiny credit card account, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in destiny.myfinanceservice.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the page where you can enter your login information on the right hand side and get access to your credit card account. Go ahead and type in your username in the first text box that is associated with your Destiny account. On the next field, type in your password correct. If you've not registered for online access yet for Destiny credit card service, click on register your account link and follow the instructions. If you've forgotten your login details during logging in, click on forgot your username or password and follow the instructions to look for them. After typing in your credentials correct, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Destiny credit card account. With your Destiny credit card account logged in, you can stay on track with your credit card 24 hours, check your transactions, apply for paperless billings, and so much more. That way you'll be able to log into your Destiny credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.